This 2023 Coachmen Chaparral 375 BAF is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Boerne, Texas, 78006 and is offered for sale by Ancira RV. This new Coachmen is 42 feet 6 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Mahogany Bay interior, sleeps 8, smoke detector, skylight, spare tire kit, microwave, Colorado Detector, oven, slideout, external shower, TV antenna, auxiliary battery, and 48 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 full baths. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Coachmen Chaparral 375 BAF is 12,421 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Ancira RV, visit RVUSA.com.